Mitigation does look overwhelming. It does. It's a hard process. If it was easy, everybody would do it. But it's not easy. And it's also not a one-time deal. You don't do mitigation for 1 month and you're done.
If you were living in a known floodplain and it was raining for 30 days, would you not put up the sandbags or try to protect your house?
And you never want to scare people, you know, but you do definitely have to let them know the risk.
So you kind of have to go, okay, I'm living in an area where it could potentially and probably burn from a wildland fire. So why not be proactive and protect your house?
Some Douglas County neighborhoods are being proactive, working together on wildfire prevention. There are some federal and state dollars available to help, but
these grants are really competitive. The more folks, the more contiguous acres that you can mitigate in one geographical area, the more likely you are to get granted those monies.
If you as a homeowner can start the ball rolling with your HOA, for example, and then the HOA takes it, it's going to start this snowball effect, and hopefully that will spread to become more the norm.
we need more citizens to take up the cause of wildfire mitigation. Because as the beauty of Douglas County draws more and more people, there will be more chances for unintentional wildfires.
You might want to consider talking to your neighbors and talking about the joint risk that you each have. Because if your neighbor's not safe, you're not safe, and vice versa. And you might want to start that discussion on a community level. And the National Fire Protection Association's FireWise program, which is a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Forest Service, provides tools and information and education on how you as a community can truly reduce your risk.
Douglas County is quality. I mean, it's just the greatest lifestyle on earth. And the last thing a resident would ever want to take the responsibility for is having their house the one that caught a twig on fire and it ruined a whole community. So I just think personal responsibility where we live, we have to take that seriously.
For more information, including helpful how-to tips and videos, visit the Douglas County website. To schedule a free property inspection, contact the Wildfire Mitigation Specialist at 303-660-7497. The Colorado State Forest Service has information on grant funding opportunities for community-wide efforts, as well as information on plant choices and spacing. Remember, under the right conditions, it just takes one spark to start a wildfire. So know the danger and reduce your risk. Please.
So we live in a gorgeous place. We do have fires, so it's not unheard of that something like that could happen.
So just like the deer and the bunnies and the bears still come into our neighborhoods, just like the wind keeps blowing, the rain keeps falling, wildfire will keep coming into our neighborhoods as well. We need to adapt to its presence.
Let's not become a victim like we see on the news.
The key is to start somewhere, do something.
Let's take the opportunity while we have these maybe wet summers and we have these breaks where we can seriously make some progress and not become a victim. Let's take the time now and stop this from happening here.